Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Griddle Porn. Today's episode is griddled cheese porn, and we're going with sharp cheddar and pepper jack. Yeah, that may sound a little boring to you, but wait, there's more. We're not using butter or mayo. We're going to try ranch dressing on our bread. How's that sound? Weird, huh? Well, I bet you thought mayo sounded weird the first time you heard it. Right. And yet, here we are. So, let's try maybe a little bit more ranch. I do know from my assigned reading materials that basically any type of, what do they call it, not a protein, a butter, mayo, horseradish, whatever, which, if you'll recall, I have tried the horseradish. It was just a little too strong, overpowered the cheese. But anyway, any kind of liquidy, yummy stuff can work. So let's try it, shall we? I've got the griddle to medium low, as most times. Ta-da! So we'll grab the last two slices of sharp cheddar and one slice of pepper jack just for flavor, and because there's only two slices of cheddar left. So there we go, and a cheddar just to balance everything out. We could go ahead and slap this on. We'll slap on the lid. We'll let it go for a minute. We'll grab the puppy dog's ball and throw it. So, it's a gorgeous late fall day here in Santa Barbara. Or not late fall, late summer. What month is it? Yes, late summer. And actually the temperature hasn't been bad this week. It's almost like spring weather or fall back to spring weather. Just take a look at our bread. Yeah, a little bit more. Move it up here a little to the hot zone. So, yeah, I can't complain about this weather at all. A lot of times we wake up in the morning and there's clouds have moved in here in the mountains, and right now, if I went up and to the top of the mountains and looked down at the ocean, there's probably a fog layer in town, and it's probably 10 degrees colder and foggy and yucky. And look at it here, gorgeous. Of course, sometimes it's the opposite, and they're nice and pretty. And we've got the fog cloud. Ooh. Look how perfectly toasted so far. So, let that go a couple minutes. The ranch dressing is making a nice coating. So, let's see how it turns out. Couple more minutes. Right, Baja? Couple more minutes. But look, there's a slight breeze, just a little bit. It is nice. Japped it. Just another perfect day in paradise. I like it. I like it a lot. Especially in the shade. Something's getting melty. I guess that's the ranch. A little bit more. Cheese is melting. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. I'm impatient. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Give me my food. It's okay. We can wait it out. Walk it off. Rub some dirt in it. La 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 la. Na 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 na. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4. There's more to the song. I just can't remember. Let's stash some of this while we're waiting, just so it doesn't blow away. Let's close up our cheese so the bugs don't get into it. That's one of the prices of paradise. It gets buggy. We've got gnats, we got skeeters. Well, skeeters aren't bad. I'm used to Florida skeeters. Skeeters here are lame. Let's see how this looks. La 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 la. Huh. Perfect. Okay. Let you see both sides. We'll turn this off. Move the dome. Look at that. So, let's, can we do this? I think we can do this. Look how pretty. Oh, and the Texas toast. I love Texas toast on my griddled cheese. The cheddar is stringy as always, which is what we want, isn't it? Look how pretty. Okay, let's see how ranch dressing. Ooh. Baja. We may be onto something here. Look, it's... So, sorry, that was a mouthful of cheddar, and the dog's begging for cheddar. Here you go, Bob. There's a bite of cheddar. The ranch dressing came out great. It's not overpowering the cheese at all. Just a little bit of, I don't know if you'd even call it ranch flavor. Just a little bit of flavor. You'd probably have to sprinkle some of the overpriced ranch powder. And maybe it's not overpriced for you. I'm cheap. But you know, the new ranch seasoning shaker that's like $10 to $15 depending on where you shop. That's expensive. But if you sprinkle a little of that on, you'd probably get a lot more ranch flavor than what I put on the bread. So that's a total win. It's not as rich as the mayo, but still gives a good texture. Absolutely, I'll try that again. And most important, it does not overpower the cheese. So that's a thumbs up. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.